Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and let me share with you some secret codes which you can use on your device. So firstly we have to enter the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, and it is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers of this device and also a serial number attached to it. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the testing mode, and in my personal opinion, I think that it is the coolest code in this device. It is *##64663#*##. And as I said, we just opened the testing mode, and here you can check actually all of the components of your device. So for example, you can check battery capacity, you can check magnetic sensor, you can check microphone, touch panel, LED, motor, key, SD card, SIM test, and so on and so on. So as I said, quite a lot of options. Let me show it to you how it works on one example. For example, let me check the key. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we can check if the key, the volume buttons are working. So by pressing the volume button, we should see the green frame around this icon, and if we can see it, then it means that the volume up button works. The same situation with volume down button and also the power button. As you can see, everything was in a green color, so it means that we just passed the test. What's more, your device will tell you. So just mark it with OK, and as you can see, your device will automatically open another test, the next one. But I will get back, and as you can see, it is also notified and shown on the list that your device passed this particular test. So as I said, I highly recommend to stay here and have fun with this section because it's a quite cool option to know your device better and actually check if it is working perfectly fine. Let me get back. And let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225#*##*#. And as I said, we are in a calendar info, so here we can check some events which are grouped in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option to choose to use actually if you'd like to check events which are grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. It is *##426#*##*#. And as I said, we are in a diagnostic mode, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected signal level. What's more, we can tap on events, and as you can see here, we've got some further details. What's more, we can check advanced view. Just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on advanced view. After tapping on status again, we can check some more details about your device. So for example, we can check the network type or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the last code which will open, let's say, another testing mode. It is *##4636#*##. And as I said, we are in a testing mode. Here we've got some phone info, the first and the second option, and it is because your device has a slot for two different SIM cards, so that's why we've got two phone information. What's more, we can check some Wi-Fi information, and I will show you obviously. Let me pick phone information number 1, and obviously I've got empty space because I do not have my SIM inserted, but no worries, if you will have yours, then you will be able to check, for example, the phone number, current network, data network type, or signal strength. What's more, you can run ping test here, just tap here, and as you can see, we've got the results. What's more, we can tap on this more icon and you will be able to enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's get back and let's check the Wi-Fi info. Let's tap on it, and here we can check the API configuration or the status. So I will pick status, for example. Let's refresh the stats, and here you can check, for example, the network state, SSID or network ID. Obviously you can run ping test just like it was before. Just tap on it and here you've got the results. So well, actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.